It's going to be one massive magical unboxing from Magix Buttons. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed already, just very naughty. And become one of the Wicked family. But we're going to talk about this unboxing and we're going to unbox the stuff inside. I have really no clue what's inside, and this box comes from Magix Buttons. Could do a little explaining why this box came in. Magix Button, I want to collaborate with this store because they sell a lot of awesome products. Not the typical stuff you find with your local store. They sell the obscure, they sell the unique product from the past and now. But yeah, if you want to know what they are selling, don't forget to check out the store. I'll leave a link in the description of the Facebook page and the web shop. So they sent me this present or this little box, but not to keep it. No. I asked them to collaborate with me, and my main goal is to show you some awesome products from them. And I just wanted to show it here on the channel for your entertainment and to show you. And of course, I'm going to give you a little glimpse into the future to show you what kind of products we are going to make or make videos about it. You know what I'm trying to say. Let's go. Alright, let's open it up. And let's see what we're going to get, my friends. Don't need to say that anymore. Yeah, alright. Ooh, a lot of packaging. Ooh. Alright, so let's do a little bit of an unboxing. I'm going to grab my table and we're going to do a small overview. I see already this. Okay, this looks really cool. Alright, I'm excited. Let's go. Alright, so let's go. I already showed you a little bit of it. The Playcom Go. I have really no clue what it is. Very curious what color is in it, but look really fun. Look like a really fun product. Ah, wait, FC. So this is going to be an 8-bit version. Hey, I have seen one of these before. The Play Computer SP30. Was this same name not for the PlayStation 4 ripoff? Let's see if we have more. Okay, what is this for? What is this? The Party Room 28. And this is what I'm talking about, people. This is what I'm talking about. The obscure weird products. We're having more. We're having more retro. Play Computer Retro 180. Let's see. Let's see what we have more. We have a big pile of multi-game cards from them. Like the Pac-Man collections. Let's see, what is this? The Pac Monster. Oh, this is really old. Very curious. I'm getting that connected to my television. Alright, so we have an even unbox within the box. What is this? The Wickedfamily. So that is more like a very small version. These are some LCD games. Perfect Pachinko. Oh, okay, and portable Pachinko machine. That is really cool. Let's see what we have here. More weird Famicom versions. There are some versions I need to check out for them. I'm getting it to work. There are even some little notes on it. It says that they are working, not working, or didn't checked. Let's see, what is this? Oh, that's weird that they're using 6 volts, so that's a pretty unique something. Oh, they have a battery compartment. Wow. Let's see, we have more in this box. More LCD games. So let me know in the comments, did you grow up with LCD games? Wow. Okay. And dual player. That is something you don't see very often nowadays. If it comes to clone systems. Cool. Alright. We have more stuff. Begin. Okay, so this thing is really interesting. I think some of you already have seen it in several videos of fellow YouTubers. The Retron 5. This is the ultimate, I'm going to say it's more like an emulation device that supports a lot of systems, even Game Boy. So I'm very curious about this one because, to be honest, I was thinking someday to buying it because I want to do more Game Boy on HDMI. Besides using always my old Game Boys, I just want to check this one out. So very curious about this one. I am excited. Woo! Woo! I am excited. Yeah, baby. So this is what I'm talking about if it comes to weird accessories you don't see very often nowadays in your local shop. I really like this rhythm game. I've played it a very long time ago. It comes even with this game. Alright, so we're going to the extreme vintage part. Wow, this is more like an old Pong system. Yeah, again, I'm going to check out if I can get this thing to work because it's a little bit difficult sometimes. I don't have any very old television laying around. How this works on 15 volts. This is a real frame voltage. Okay, let's see what we have more. We're having a new portable system to review, the Pocket Dream. 60 games built in. Just very curious what are we going to get with this one. And for the last version we having the Merlin 6-in-1. We're in Dutch, 6 spellen in 1. Let's see what we have here. I'm very curious and I'm just going to open it up. What is this? What the heck is this, people? Okay, I've never seen this. I've never seen this before. So it's going to be a very funny review to check out. And yeah, that concludes this unboxing. I hope you really enjoyed it. There are going to be a lot of wicked products here on the channel in the couple of months. Yeah, again, shout out to Magix Buttons sending me the products to review. Very happy with it. And yeah, don't forget to check out the webpage because they have a lot of awesome products. And give the Facebook page a like if you want. Alright, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. And don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. We have a lot of awesome stuff going on there. See you next time. Bye bye.